In Horizon Europe, unit grants are exclusively used in Marie Skłodowska-Curie actions. A unit represents one person-month that a researcher or seconded staff member spends working on the project. Unit costs are calculated by multiplying the number of person-months reported by each beneficiary by the predefined monthly contributions specified in the work program and the grant agreement. For more details on the individual types of contributions, please refer to the Mastering Budget Preparation course, also available on the NCP Virtual Campus. As with other funding schemes, periodic reports for unit grants also consist of a technical and financial report, including the financial statements of beneficiaries. Due to the use of unit costs, the preparation of financial statements is largely automated. It is based on the research and training periods recorded by beneficiaries in the continuous reporting in the Mobility Declarations part. The system uses this data to automatically calculate the number of person months, which forms the basis for determining the eligible contributions. The mobility declarations must also reflect any circumstances arising during project implementation that may affect the grant amount or project duration. These may include suspensions, part-time work, long-term leave, changes in family status, or any other relevant situations. Please note that such changes always require a formal amendment to the grant agreement. The mobility declaration must be submitted on time to ensure accurate financial reporting, as the system only processes declarations with a submitted status. It automatically imports all the data into the periodic reporting module. By clicking the Calculate Costs button, the system generates the financial statements. The amounts that are automatically pre-filled in the financial statements can typically not be modified by beneficiaries. Remember, amounts paid by beneficiaries to researchers or seconded staff members in currencies other than the euro must be converted into euros using the average exchange rate for the respective reporting period. If the converted amounts are lower than the unit contributions automatically filled in the financial statement, the beneficiary is obliged to settle the resulting underpayment to the researcher or seconded staff member, either after the end of the reporting period or, at the latest, at the end of the project. Financial audits verify compliance with the grant agreement, focusing on both general and specific eligibility conditions, which differ from those applied to actual cost-based grants. In the case of unit grants, auditors do not examine the actual costs incurred. Instead, they assess the eligibility of the declared units. To be eligible, person months must be actually incurred, necessary for the action's implementation, and their number must be identifiable and verifiable. Additionally, audits review the specific eligibility conditions for individual contributions. Auditors may verify, for example, the eligibility of the researchers and their family status, their full-time involvement in the project, their exclusive work on the action, or whether contributions have been fully incurred for the benefit of the fellow. Due to their specific nature, unit grants are exempt from the obligation to submit a certificate on the financial statements. Required documentation includes employment contracts, proof of eligibility, evidence of work performed, compliance with Annex 5 obligations, proof that all due allowances have been paid in full to the fellow, certification of special needs, records for long-term leave or part-time work, and documentation confirming family status.